Hello, and welcome to Practice English Daily, the podcast that helps you learn English step by step. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Eric. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here to practice with us today.
Yes, thank you for joining us. In every episode, we talk about a simple topic to help you learn new words and feel more confident in English.
Today, our topic is very, very common. It's something people talk about every single day, all over the world.
That's right. Today, we are talking about the weather.
Talking about the weather is a great way to start a conversation with someone. It's easy, and everyone has something to say about it.
Exactly. So today, we will teach you the most important words and phrases for talking about the weather. We will go slowly, and we will repeat things many times. You can do this.
And remember, if you enjoy our podcast and want more lessons, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel, Practice English Daily. It helps us a lot.
Okay, are you ready to start? Let's talk about the weather.
Okay, Jessica. So, let's imagine I want to ask you about the weather. What is the most important question?
That's a great place to start, Eric. The most common question is, what's the weather like today?
Let's say that again for our listeners. Listen and repeat. What's the weather like today?
One more time. What's the weather like today? This question asks, tell me about the weather. Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cold?
Perfect. So, let's start with the first and maybe the happiest type of weather. What is it when you look outside and you see the big yellow sun in the sky?
When we see the sun, we say the weather is sunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny.
I love sunny days. On a sunny day, the sky is blue and the sun is shining. Shining is the verb. The sun shines.
That's right. So you can say, it is sunny today, or you can say, the sun is shining. Both are correct and very common.
Let's give some examples. For me, on a sunny day, I like to go to the park. What about you, Jessica?
On a sunny day, I like to wear sunglasses, and I like to eat ice cream.
Ice cream on a sunny day is the best. So, the word is sunny. Can you say it? Sunny. Good job.
Okay, so we have sunny weather. But what about the opposite? Sometimes we look up and we don't see the sun. We see big white or gray things in the sky.
Ah, you mean clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. When the sky is full of clouds, what do we say the weather is like?
When there are many clouds, we say it is cloudy. Cloudy.
So, if someone asks me, what's the weather like today? I can look outside, and if I see many clouds, I can say, it's cloudy today.
Exactly. On a cloudy day, there is not much sun. The day can feel a little bit dark.
What do you do on a cloudy day, Jessica?
On a cloudy day, I like to stay home and read a book. Or maybe watch a movie. It's very cozy.
That sounds nice. I like to drink a cup of hot tea on a cloudy day. So, we have two new words, sunny and cloudy.
Okay, listeners, now it's time to practice. We are going to listen to a very short conversation between two people. They use the words we just learned. First, just listen.
Hi, Tom. What's the weather like today?
Hi, Maria. It's very sunny today. The sun is shining.
Oh, wonderful. I love sunny days.
Me too. It's a beautiful day.
Me too. It's a beautiful day.
Okay, did you hear that? Let's talk about it. First, Maria asked the big question. What did she ask, Jessica?
She asked, what's the weather like today? See, that's our important question.
And Tom answered, it's very sunny today. So he is telling Maria about the weather. He also said, the sun is shining.
He used both phrases. That's great practice. Tom thinks it is a beautiful day.
He does. You are doing a great job listening. You are improving already. Now, let's listen to that same conversation one more time. Listen again.
Hi, Tom. What's the weather like today?
Hi, Maria. It's very sunny today. The sun is shining.
Oh, wonderful. I love sunny days.
Me too. It's a beautiful day.
Me too. It's a beautiful day.
Excellent work. So we have sunny and cloudy, but Eric, sometimes things fall from the clouds.
Yes, sometimes water falls from the clouds. What do we call that?
We call that rain, R-A-I-N, rain. When it is raining, we say the weather is rainy.
Rainy. For example, I can't go to the park today. It's a rainy day.
That's a perfect example. We can also use it as a verb. We can say, it is raining. This means rain is falling from the sky right now.
Look outside. It is raining. So we have the adjective, raining, and the verb, raining.
What do you need on a rainy day, Eric?
On a rainy day, I need my umbrella. An umbrella keeps me dry. I also wear my rain boots.
Good idea. I don't like it when my feet get wet. Okay, so we have rain. But in some places, when it is very cold, something else falls from the sky. It's white and soft.
Ah, you are talking about snow. S-N-O-W. Snow.
Yes, when snow is falling, we say it is snowy. Or, just like with rain, we can say it is snowing.
Look outside. It is snowing. Snowy days are usually very cold. Snow is common in the winter.
I like snowy days. Everything looks so beautiful and white. My quick breakfast on a snowy day is hot oatmeal.
That's a great idea. On a snowy day, I like to wear a warm hat and a scarf. Some people like to make a snowman.
That's so fun. Okay, so now we have two more words, rainy and snowy, and two more phrases. It is raining and it is snowing.
You are doing a wonderful job, everyone. Let's practice with another short conversation. Remember, first, just listen.
Oh, look outside the window.
What is it? Is it snowing?
No, it's raining, and it's very windy.
Oh, okay. Let's stay inside and watch a movie. I don't have my umbrella today.
Okay, let's talk about that conversation. David looked out the window and Sarah asked a question. What did she ask?
She asked, "Is it snowing?" She wanted to know if snow was falling.
And what was David's answer?
He said, "No, it's raining." So water is falling from the sky, not snow.
Right, and he added another word we haven't talked about yet. He said it's very windy. We will talk more about wind later, but it means the air is moving a lot.
And because it was raining, Sarah said, "Let's stay inside." She didn't have her umbrella. That was a very good decision.
It was. You are all doing so well. Don't worry if you don't understand every single word. The important part is to understand the main idea.
That's right. Okay, let's listen to the dialogue one more time. Listen again.
Oh, look outside the window.
What is it? Is it snowing?
No, it's raining, and it's very windy.
Oh, okay. Let's stay inside and watch a movie. I don't have my umbrella today.
Great work. Okay, Eric, we have talked about what we can see: sun, clouds, rain, snow. Now let's talk about what we can feel.
You mean the temperature, how hot or cold it is. This is another very important part of the weather.
Yes, let's start with the two opposites. First, in the summer, when the sun is very strong, the weather is hot. H-O-T, hot.
For example, wow, it is so hot today. I need some cold water.
A very hot day is a good day for swimming, or, like I said before, a good day for ice cream.
Definitely. Okay, so the opposite of hot is cold. C-O-L-D, cold.
In the winter, the weather is often very cold. You need to wear a big coat, a hat, and gloves to stay warm.
An example sentence could be, "Brr, it's cold outside. Let's close the window."
That's a perfect example. On a cold day, I love to drink hot chocolate.
Me too. Okay, so we have hot and cold, but sometimes the weather is not very hot or very cold. It's in the middle.
That's a great point. Let's talk about two more words. The first one is warm. W-A-R-M, warm.
Warm is like a little hot, but it feels nice and comfortable. It's not too hot.
Yes, exactly. A sunny day in the spring is often warm. It's perfect weather for a walk. You don't need a big coat, maybe just a light jacket.
I love warm weather. You can say, "It's a beautiful, warm afternoon."
Okay, and what about the other side? A little cold, but still nice.
That would be cool. C-O-O-L. Cool. Cool weather is a little bit cold, but it's refreshing and nice. It's not too cold.
Yes, in the autumn, the mornings are often cool. You feel a little cold, but it's pleasant.
You can say, I like the cool evenings in September. So let's review the 4 temperature words.
We have hot, very high temperature, cold, very low temperature, warm, a little hot, nice, and cool, a little cold, nice.
You are all learning so much today. This is fantastic. Let's practice these new words in our final conversation. This time, the people will talk about both the look and the feel of the weather. First, listen.
Good morning, Ben.
Good morning, Anna. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. What's the weather like? I haven't looked outside yet.
It's sunny and very warm. Perfect for a picnic.
Oh, that's a great idea. It's not too hot?
No, not at all. It's just warm, very comfortable.
Okay, that was a lovely conversation. So Anna asked Ben about the weather.
And what did Ben say? He used 2 of our words together.
He said it's sunny and very warm. This is a great example of how to describe the weather completely. He talks about what he can see, sunny, and what he can feel, warm.
Anna then asked, "It's not too hot?" She wanted to make sure it was comfortable.
And Ben said no, it was just warm, a perfect, comfortable temperature.
This shows the difference between warm and hot. Warm is pleasant. Hot can sometimes be uncomfortable. You're doing so well to hear these small differences.
Let's listen to that dialogue one last time. Listen again.
Good morning, Ben.
Good morning, Anna. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. What's the weather like? I haven't looked outside yet.
It's sunny and very warm. Perfect for a picnic.
Oh, that's a great idea. It's not too hot?
No, not at all. It's just warm, very comfortable.
Fantastic listening, everyone. We have learned so many words today. Just 2 more quick bonus words for you.
Yes, sometimes the air moves very fast. We call this the wind. When there is a lot of wind, we say it is windy. W-I-N-D-Y.
For example, be careful with your hat. It's very windy today.
And our last word is stormy. S-T-O-R-M-Y. A storm is very strong weather. It has a lot of rain, a lot of wind, and maybe thunder and lightning.
Stormy weather is a good time to be safe inside your home. You can say, the sky is dark. It looks stormy.
And that's it. You now know all the basic words to talk about the weather in English.
Wow, Jessica, that was a lot of information. But our listeners did an amazing job today.
You really did. Learning new words takes time, so be patient with yourself. Practice is the most important thing.
Let's do a quick recap of the most important phrases from today. First, the main question you should always remember.
What's the weather like today?
And the simple answers we learned. It's sunny, it's cloudy, it's rainy, or it's raining. It's snowing, or it's snowing.
And for the temperature, how it feels. It's hot, it's cold, it's warm, it's cool.
Great job, everyone. You can practice by looking out your window right now. What's the weather like for you today? Try to say the sentence in English. Today, it is...
That is a perfect way to practice. Okay, before we go, we have our fun community question for you. We love to learn more about our listeners.
Last time, we talked about morning routines. So today, our question is a little different. We want to know, what is your favorite type of weather?
Oh, that's a great question, Eric. What is your favorite type of weather?
For me, I love a cool, sunny day in autumn. It's perfect for walking. What about you, Jessica?
I love warm, sunny days in the summer. It makes me feel happy and energetic.
That's wonderful. So, our question for you, our listeners, is, what is your favorite type of weather? Is it sunny, snowy, rainy?
Please tell us in the comment section. You can write a simple sentence like, my favorite weather is sunny and hot, or I like rainy days. We read every comment.
Thank you so much for listening to Practice English Daily. You are working hard and you are making progress.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and we will talk to you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.